Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test iodine in salt at home step by step. Gather an iodide test kit, distilled water, a white plate, a measuring spoon, and gloves. Crush a clean sample of salt to a fine consistency and place 1 teaspoon on the plate. Add a few drops of distilled water to dissolve the salt, then apply the test reagent and watch for the color change. Prepare your workspace with good light and a clean white plate to see subtle color shifts. Measure exactly 1 teaspoon of the salt sample and dissolve it in a small amount of distilled water to avoid contaminants. Open the iodide reagent carefully and add the recommended number of drops to the dissolved salt, watching the solution for the color transition specified by the kit instructions. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more people learn practical tests. Quick recommendation: I recently enjoyed a money book that pairs well with practical skills, and it really changed how I think about saving and choices. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab it or compare options. Thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Start by dissolving your measured salt sample in about 5 to 10 milliliters of distilled water until fully clear. Add the iodide reagent dropwise as instructed, gently mixing after each drop to distribute the reagent evenly. Observe the solution against the white background while comparing to the kit color chart. Record the closest match and repeat with a second sample if results seem ambiguous or faint to confirm your observation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.